Hello watch fans, watch enthusiasts and self-made watchmakers. Today I have a citizen with a problem. What the problem is? See yourself. Okay, I think you noticed that the hour hand and the minute hand doesn't move. So that is the problem. I think I know how to solve it, but let's check. So actually when we turn the crown, everything seems to be okay. The date changes, the watch is working. The movement is a little bit loose inside, so let's open it. The watch is made from stainless steel and that's the movement, so pretty common citizen movement, or actually Miyota movement that we can find in citizen watches is Miyota 8200 model A, so pretty old. So to solve the problem I have to take out the movement from the watch case and remove this part that allows me to get to the canyon pinion, because there is the problem in my opinion. So step number 1, removing the hands. Step number 2, removing the dial. The dial is held via these 2 screws, so it's pretty easy to remove it. Oh, and now will be the step number 3. I will remove this plastic ring and let's install movement in the movement holder, and now I have to remove this protection ring, this clamp. I know how to call it properly, but to remove these date tails I need to remove this one. Now I can remove the date tail with the days of the week. This wheel I also don't need to get to the canyon pinion. And now this covering plate that is held with 4 screws. Okay, let's remove it. And now this tail date. I also don't need this spring. We can see that movement is quite dirty, so after solving the problem I will have to make a proper service of this one. I also don't need this lever, so let's remove also them. Because they can provide some distraction. Okay, so this is the canyon pinion. When I turn the crown I actually don't feel any resistance, and there should be a little bit. So a little bit resistance between the canyon pinion and the center wheel. What I can do in this situation? I can squeeze a little bit the canyon pinion with some equipment, with tweezer or something like that. Of course professionalists have a special tool for that, not this one, but I will do this I will squeeze the canyon pinion with tweezers, and in my opinion it is much better to repeat this process several times, but in this way I'm sure I will not damage the canyon pinion Okay, I've squeezed it a little bit. Let's check it, how it works now. And what's the result? Do I feel any resistance a little bit bigger? I don't think so. So it's still, in my opinion, not enough. So I repeat the process actually 3 times. And let's check it now. Still doesn't sit. Now I think it's okay. And yeah, well, now the resistance is quite big. I think a little bit even too big. It was, or it is so big that the crown unscrew from the winding stem. Okay, but to be sure we need to check it, so I will very quickly install the hands and we will see in a moment if I'm successful. And if you have the same problem in your watch, you will now know how to solve it. But okay, let's first check it. Let's install the minute hand. Actually, it's not needed to adjust the hands because I want only to check and I will disassemble the movement anyway. But I'm working here for you. Okay. The resistance even needs to be big. So see, yeah, I just the crown unscrew. Okay. Second hand, so you can see, and let's wind a little bit the watch and let's check it. I speed up, of course, a little bit the video so that you don't need to wait these several minutes. And yeah, well, everything seems to work like it should. Everything seems to work properly. So, I think I'm done. Let's check even the loom. So the watch is still having the loom, so it is worth, in my opinion, to restore this particular model. So the next step that I will do will be restoration of this one, and you can see a similar one, a video from another Citizen watch, but with the same movement. And if you would like to see how I restore it, see the link in the description down below or in the right upper corner. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next watch service episode. Bye bye.